In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Copilot to summarize content from web pages in just a few clicks. If you've ever opened a long article or documentation page and thought, I just need the main points, this is exactly what this feature is designed for. We'll go through how to open Copilot, how to generate a summary, and a few tips for making the most of the results. First, make sure you have a web page open that you want to summarize. This could be an article, a blog post, a help page, or any long-form content in your browser. It works best when the page actually contains substantial text rather than just images or a list of links. Once that page is open and fully loaded, the next step is to bring up the Copilot pane. You can do this using a simple keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and the period key together. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus dot. Hold Ctrl and Shift, then tap the period key once. After a moment, you should see the Copilot pane appear, usually docked on one side of your screen. If the pane doesn't appear at first, check that your browser window is active and try the shortcut again. Also make sure you're on a supported browser and that any required Copilot or browser extensions are properly installed and enabled. Once Copilot is visible, you're ready to generate a summary of the current page. Inside the Copilot pane, look for the option or button labeled Generate Page Summary. This is the command that tells Copilot to scan the content of the web page you're viewing and condense it into key points. Go ahead and click Generate Page Summary. Copilot will start analyzing the text on the page. Depending on how long or complex the page is, this might take a few seconds. While it's working, avoid switching to a completely different tab because Copilot is summarizing the content of the page that was active when you clicked the button. If you do switch away, just come back to the page and rerun the summary to make sure it matches the content you care about. Once the summary is ready, it will appear directly in the Copilot pane. Take a moment to read through it carefully. You'll typically see a concise overview of the main ideas, important details, and sometimes a clear breakdown of sections or themes from the original page. This is especially useful when you're skimming research, comparing several sources, or trying to capture the essence of a long article quickly. If the summary feels too general or you want more detail on a particular point, you can usually follow up right inside the Copilot pane. For example, after reading the summary, you might type something like, explain the second point in more detail, or give me a shorter version, depending on what you need. While this follow-up isn't a separate step, it's a powerful way to refine the output and zero in on exactly what matters to you. You can repeat this process on any other web page that you want to summarize. Just open the new page, press Ctrl plus Shift plus period to open Copilot and click Generate Page Summary again. This consistency makes it easy to build a habit. Anytime you hit a long page, you know you can quickly get the key points without reading every line. To recap the flow, open the web page you want summarized, use the Ctrl plus Shift plus period shortcut to open the Copilot pane, then click Generate Page Summary and review the result. With this simple workflow, Copilot becomes a handy reading companion that saves you time and helps you focus on what really matters in any web page you visit.